Are you tired of redesigning boards or going line down because you can't source a 2-cent part? Future-proof your current and past designs by incorporating a new, proven, rectangular land pattern we call the flexible footprint. IPC 7351 provides land pattern recommendations for rectangular, 2-pad parts designed for particular package sizes and land protrusions, least, nominal, and most. Each material condition can reliably produce a Class 3 solder fillet for any package size. Our flexible footprint overlays the recommended land patterns for 2 or more different package sizes to create a novel, stepped land pattern that can accept more than one package size. That means when it is time to stuff your board, assembly houses can extend their search for parts into nearby sizes. A 0.22 microfarad capacitor that is unavailable in 0603 package might be available in an 0402 package. Since either size package can be soldered reliably on the flexible footprint land pattern, your production run will stay on schedule. Advanced Assembly successfully tested the flexible footprint land pattern on components ranging in size from EIA 0201 to EIA 1210. To learn more about how to incorporate the flexible footprint into your next printed circuit board design, download our white paper at aapcb.com today.